Are you looking for refreshing, cleaner water to drink, cook, and wash your food with? There's a simpler solution to have water with reduced contaminants than constantly refilling pitcher filters or buying bottled water. A reverse osmosis system may give you better tasting, purer water, conveniently installed at your sink for easy access. The Reliance Reverse Osmosis System goes through 4 levels of filtration that reduces contaminants such as pesticides, chlorine, arsenic, sodium, and lead from the water your family consumes. The RO system is certified to NSF standards, performance tested, and professionally installed by one of our licensed plumbers. Once the system is installed, you can enjoy purer water worry-free. When it's time for the quick change filter to be replaced, we'll courier it straight to your door. To learn more about reverse osmosis systems and other water purification solutions, book an in-home consultation with one of our trusted water purification advisors. The advisor will test your water and discuss your needs to determine the best solution for you and your home.